Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn the touch effect on or off in Merge Gardens. First of all, launch open Merge Gardens app on your device and navigate to the hamburger menu at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, go to Touch Effect option, and if you see that turned off or in red color, this means you have turned off the touch effect. Tap on it to turn it on, and once it shows on, you will be able to turn on the touch effect in your game. Go ahead and touch anywhere on your screen and you should see the touch effect applied immediately. So that is how you easily turn on and off touch effects in Merge Garden. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.